We're here in beautiful King City at Boreal Farms. We just finished a workshop with King City Secondary School, and the workshop included a bit of time at the Kingsbridge Centre right around the corner, and then an afternoon here on the farm.
Since my students are from the computer science class, we're learning how computer science is used in agriculture. So drones and robots used in farming and much more.
The students participated in a number of different hands-on and immersive activities, including the use of refractometers to look and identify sugars in different types of samples. We did a hydroponic building demonstration, so each student in pairs had hydroponic kits and they built their own growing systems. This robot uses cameras to identify the weeds and sprays a tiny little bit of pesticide on them instead of spraying the entire crop. It's also got solar panels so it can operate a lot more sustainably.
We've also got to see and use some of the robots that they use to pick the fruits off of the plants and the bushes.
We also use this device to test how much sugar is in a different substance. They use refraction of the light or something like that. I found it very interesting.
The big drone they showed over there, they said they actually have to get contact air control to bring it over here, and they actually load it up with different seeds and fertilizers to fertilize the different plants. They have a digital map. They use a smaller drone with infrared to track how well all of the plants are doing and to know which areas they have to target.
In just a couple of minutes, we're going to go for a walk outside, and I'm going to show you guys a cool tree nursery as well as what's called a permaculture garden.
The day was a fantastic learning opportunity for all of our students. I think they got a lot out of the trip, and it gives them a lot more things to bring back to the classroom now.
We were looking at microbits and sensors and how we can see how much moisture there is in the soil, different software. I think it's great for students to see that application in everyday life.
And then during our tour, when we came over here to Boreal Farms, we got the students to see a number of different zones that we have, whether or not it's the area we're standing here, which is my small-scale market farm that's about to be planted in the next few weeks, or we went and looked at some of the chickens. So between 300 and 320 eggs a year is how many eggs these chickens lay. So I use that, again, that kind of data to then say, okay, well, how many dozens of eggs might I have on a weekly basis? Some of them like to roost, others don't. And so we've got a few different ones, but the favorites are usually the silkies. We also showed them an area where we're doing some land regeneration and contrasting my small-scale farm to the large-scale agriculture operation that happens just behind me here on 600 acres.
There's also a soil moisture probe. So this is the same as you've seen in a lot of Arduino kits or likewise. It'll mount this and then check in a giant grid all of the moisture values for the entire field.
As well as a really cool piece of infrastructure we've built called the geodesic dome. We're inside of this large greenhouse powered off-grid using different types of thermal and solar technology.
At first we didn't think that farming would have much application from what we're learning, but it actually has a lot more than we thought.
I just want to say I appreciate the board's initiative. They're the ones who planned it, and daily different high schools are coming to experience this trip. It's a really great opportunity.
I think for the students, they love seeing the technology in action. They love seeing the farm with the chickens as well.
So what we try to do really is inspire them through all these little seeds of thought to provide the students with a pretty great understanding, or at least a glimpse of some different aspects of agriculture, as we call it, Ag 4.0, different technologies, skills, and tools that help to empower them both personally and potentially them seeking career opportunities in the future.